Hello friends, welcome back to our next educational video where we will be talking about our next candlestick pattern, that is bearish engulfing. So in the previous video we have talked about the bullish engulfing pattern, which indicates the bullish sentiment in the market, right? So those who have watched the bullish engulfing chart pattern video, for them this video will be very easy to understand. So let's understand friends that what is bearish engulfing pattern, what are the rules to identify it, and how we can interpret it and trade accordingly in the shorter sides, right? So friends, as you can see in the image given, the first rule, as we have discussed in the bullish engulfing, similarly there must be it is a two candlesticks pattern, right? So first candle must be a bullish candle which is indicated by a green candle, right? And second candle must be a red candle which engulfs the previous red candle completely, which engulfs the body. Friends, you can see that this is the body of the previous green candle completely. It should engulf the previous candle, right? So friends, here you can see that the previous green candle had completely engulfed the previous green candle, right? So friends, let me show you the example. Let me show you the practical example of bearish engulfing chart pattern, right? So we will look the similar chart of Reliance, friends. Okay, so I have identified one such pattern of bearish engulfing. So friends, here you can see a perfect bearish engulfing pattern is forming right here in the Reliance Industries, right? So as we have discussed, according to the rule, the first candle must be a green candle and the second candle must be red candle, right? And second candle, which is red candle, must fully engulf the previous green candle, which, as you can see here, right here, which engulf the previous green candle, right? So friends, we have cleared the concept about the bullish engulfing pattern as well as bearish engulfing pattern, but now I would like to give you some bonus tip using which you can increase your probability in this particular setup, whether it may be bullish or whether it may be bearish. So friends, this is just a short bonus tip which may help you away long in your trading career, right? So friends, as you can see here that this pattern is also a bearish engulfing pattern, right? So in this, as you can see that the current red candle has totally engulfed the previous green candle, but as you can see that the market hasn't fallen yet from the previous level, right? See, if you can see that it was totally sideways for the few days and moved upward continuously. So what was the reason behind this false pattern, right? So the simple reason which I would like to tell you is that whenever you are trying to trade this setup, just look that in the candlestick the candle is fully covered with the body, right? This is the main body, right? As you can see, so it shouldn't have any long wicks, right? You can see here. So this create the confusion between the buyers and sellers. Okay, so that was all about the bonus tip which using which you can increase your probability in trading.